Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is an after dark clean with me, so I'm going to have limited talking so that you can just relax and clean with me in a nice evening. So this evening, of course, it doesn't look dark, and that's because it's summer and it's still bright out until like 9:30 at night. But it is the evening, and I had a lot to clean in our kitchen, and then I also cleaned a little bit of Cohen's play area, and that's pretty much all I got done this evening. But it's still enough for some great content for motivational cleaning, so I hope that you get some motivation and you can get some cleaning done as well. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you liked this video, and leave me a comment and let me know, do you like after dark cleans? They're some of my favorite videos to watch.
Trusting God in these scars that I've been dealt with. I'ma do my job, time to grind, time to know. They know, 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 they know. Pedal to the metal, they know. Gone and I won't let up, they know. I'm not so I'm fed up, they know. Say it for the record, they know. They know, they know, yeah they know. Pedal to the metal, they know. I'm not so I'm fed up, they know. Why you never sign? You sign when you go live. Stuck inside that bubble, never ever go outside. You don't know you know computers, you're a tech guy. Back against a wall, you gon' fall or you gon' ride. I feel the pressure, foot to the pedal. My dogs, they fed up, my squad won't let up. Those sneakers CDG, hot on step on. My money yoga, the weight is stretch on. I change locations to change the weather. Know when that rain come, got my umbrella. And when my day come, my name gon' stay up. Yeah, I know, I know, I know. Pedal to the metal, they know. Gone and I won't let up, they know. I'm not so I'm fed up, they know. Say it for the record, they know. They know, they know, they know, yeah they know. Pedal to the metal, they know. I'm not so I'm fed up, they know.
Yesterday, there was sun and there was rain. Beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise. And now there's something in the air, and a sparkly shimmer on our skin, restoring everything within. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the grand. As willows align, we lose track of time. Head up high, now we climb. Dreamy, breezy, we go. Easy, easy on our tiptoes. Undercover agents of the other. Beyond gravel, beyond a bigger scale, the world inhales as we go. I wouldn't want it any other way. No, no, no. Hard working every day, I'm stressed out 24/7, babe. No timeouts, wish we could fly away. You and I go to our favorite place. Oh yeah, yeah. Make special memories together. I'll be your company now and forever. I say we fly away, you and me, go to our favorite place. Feeling the sun on my face in Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii. With you, Hawaii.
That's everything for this video, guys. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so that you never miss an upload from me. And I will see you guys in the next one. Happy cleaning!
Go to our favorite tree. Are you ready now? We jump on a plane now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away. Don't hesitate now. We're taking away. Yeah, we're taking away.